Okay guys, so what I've done here is I've cut the chicken and I've cut it into cutlets. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. You see how thin it is? That's what you want, and basically I cut it lengthwise in half. Now the next step is to season it. Now I season it with salt and pepper to my taste. We're going to add a lot more seasonings on it, so you don't want to overdo it. Okay, now that we've gone ahead and seasoned to taste, I'm going to grab my cup and we'll prepare the marinade. Now in this cup, we're going to go ahead and add the minced garlic. I love garlic, in case you didn't know. The thyme and the oregano. And I do prefer to use the Dominican oregano, as I've mentioned in other videos. And this is red wine vinegar. It has 0 carbs and it has the mother. You can also use lemon juice if you prefer. And lastly is the olive oil. Now, you can also use avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever your preference. Give this a good stir. La, 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 la. And look at that. Yummy! So now we're going to dump it on our chicken. Okay, so I put my gloves on so we can go ahead and get our hands in it. And make sure that each piece of chicken or each cutlet has the marinade on it, because we want each piece of chicken to taste magnificent. And it smells really good. Look at that. We're going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and we'll be right back to get started. Be back soon. So here what we're doing is we're transferring all the chicken, well, not all of it, but fit as many pieces as you can in here without cramping their style. They need some space there. I have a big fryer, so this is going to work fabulously. Look at that. Get it in there and let's get this bad boy started. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, please visit www.ketowithlee.us for the written instructions as well as the macros. Look at that. This is delicious. So good. Here's a better angle. There you go. Can you smell that? Because I can, and it smells great. Now I'm going to turn them over and put them for a few more minutes. See how easy that was? Look at that. Amazing. I love this thing. And here we go. A few more minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, so we're back and we're going to check the temperature. Make sure they're cooked thoroughly. And then we're going to eat them all up. Thanks for watching.